Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is another little tiny unboxing with a Bronwyn who had her hair done yesterday. Don't know where it's from because it doesn't say. It says diamond painting. So yeah. It is my lady. My hairy lady. Is that all that's in there?
Yep.
Okay. This is what I was hoping it was. This is so cool. This is beaded cross stitch. Let's take it out of this. So here's the image. This is, I believe it's the same canvas they print diamond paintings on before they put the adhesive on. It feels the same, just not sticky. And it's this cool lady with lots of hair, funky patterns in her hair. And you get these beads with it. Yeah, they're like little, just little seed beads. They look reasonably good quality. Reasonably. I mean, they don't have to be completely perfect because it's just bead embroidery, really. But yeah, there's quite an array of colors: pink, blue, orange, green, purple, all kinds of things. And you basically bead her hair. The rest is unstitched. So yeah, it's like diamond painting, but with beads. So you put beads where, you know, where the shapes are. It'll be interesting because it's not like uncounted fabric. So I have no idea what this is going to be like. But it looks really cool, and I'm excited to give it a try and maybe throw on some fancy crystals of my own. But yeah, it's not a very big image. It's, oh, I don't know, probably 6 inches wide by probably 12. Or maybe less. Not less. It's more like 10 or 9 inches high. So it's a cool shape that's covering Bronwyn. But yeah, and it came with its own filament, which it kind of reminds me of a very, very lightweight fishing line. Yeah. I don't know if I'll use this. I might end up using some nylon that I already have. But yeah, it's essentially just nylon, very, very fine filament that you're supposed to use. So that's cool. I'll try it and see how I like it. But yeah. So it doesn't come on a roll. I might quickly like iron it before I go to do anything with it. But it looks like it gave me instructions, did it? What's there?
In a different language.
Oh, that looks like Russian. Oh, it's just all Russian.
Yeah, it's all Russian.
That's okay. There is a diagram there, so we can see how to do it. It doesn't really matter that I don't read the language. But yeah. Cool. So that is my little mini unboxing for today. They didn't include any kind of an inventory sheet or packing slip, so I will have to go on my Aliexpress page and find out which store I got this from. But if you search for beaded cross stitch on Aliexpress, you'll find this is one of the first images you'll find that's available. So yeah. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you want to see this channel grow and thrive, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's the summer of Bronwyn and unboxing! Yes! We'll see you next time. Bye!